afternoon, podsters. Now then, we have something very, very exciting here. There is a black woodpecker, I repeat, a black woodpecker in this wood. I saw it, so it's true. And this is a first for me. Trouble is, I've got cars going past. That was a car. I'm assuming it's really quite a shy species because it's the first time I've heard or seen one. How do you know it's a black woodpecker then? I hear them say. Well, I'll tell you. No, I won't. It's not a state secret, but it's a trade secret. Maybe if I imitated its song, it might answer. It does have quite a shrill song, actually. Let's see if I can imitate it. No, it doesn't quite sound like that, actually. Let's try again. No, that sounds like a pig in distress or something. But it's quite a shrill sound. Sort of like, let's try again. No, there's nothing like that at all. I don't think he's going to answer, is he? Or she? All right, posters. Well, sorry about another anticlimax. Shame you missed an episode that I couldn't film the other day, but I better not go on about that. Just make you jealous. All right, posters. Keep the faith. And woody woodpecker to you from me, and unfortunately, not him. Ciao.